Hello everybody and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host Soul, and today we'll take a look inside Fairy Tail Collection 6 on Blu-ray, episodes 121 to 142. So here is the cover, the spine, the back, which will zoom in. Here you go. The other spine. Take the slipcover off, you get a little more of the same. Spine and the back again. Then you open it up and you get the episode guide list. I'll try to get it as best as I can, but yeah. And then you get disc 21 of the DVDs, disc 22, 23, and 24, and then Blu-ray disc 21, 22, 23, and 24. And then you get that. So this has been Fairy Tail Collection 6 on Blu-ray. Thank you and have a wonderful day.